Hello students, in this episode we shall learn about the solutions of such pair of linear equations which are not linear but can be reduced to linear form by making some suitable substitutions. Let us look into the question in exercise 3.6. Question number 1 says, solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Equations are 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2, 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. So, let us take down the equations 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. Just we will rewrite these equations. Observe carefully. I can write this as 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x plus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon y is equal to 2. Here, let me take 1 upon x as a and 1 upon y as b. So, equation becomes 1 upon 2 a plus 1 upon 3 b is equal to 2. Now, if I simplify this, I get the LCM as 6 and this reduces to 3a plus 2b is equal to 2. On further simplification, 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. This is my first equation obtained in the form of linear equation, general form. Now, likewise, we have 1 upon 3 x plus 1 upon 2 y is equal to 13 upon 6. Again, just see, can we write this as plus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon y is equal to 13 upon 6. We had taken 1 upon x as a. So, can I write this as 1 upon 3a plus 1 upon 2b is equal to 13 upon 6. Here LCM is 6. So, I get 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 upon 6. 6 gets cancelled. We can cross multiply and get it cancelled and my equation becomes what? 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. These are my two equations. Now, I think we will use elimination method to solve these simple equations. If I multiply first equation by 2 and second equation by 3, look what happens. 2 3s are 6a plus 2 2s are 4b is equal to 12 2s are 24. Likewise, 3 2s are 6a plus 9b is equal to 13 3s are 39. Same sign subtract, I hope you remember. We will subtract coefficients of a are equal, they get cancelled. I get minus 5b is equal to minus 15. Minus minus becomes plus and b is equal to 15 upon 5. That gives me 3. Likewise, I will find out the value of a. I will take any equation 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. Here 3a plus what is the value of b? It is 3. So, 2 3s are 6. That gives me 3a is equal to 6 or a is equal to 2. b is 3 and a is 2, but are these the answers? No. The question was in terms of x and y, I need to solve in terms of x and y. I have to find the value of x and y. What was the value of a? It was 1 upon x. So, I can take 1 upon x as 2. So, I get 2x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 upon 2. This is the value of x. Likewise, for b, I had taken 1 upon y as b. So, 1 upon y is equal to 3. That gives me 3 is equal to 1 or y is equal to 1 upon 3. In this way we can solve the equations and get the value of x and y. X is 1 upon 2 here and y is equal to 1 upon 3. I hope you have followed. Now let us go to the next part. So dear students, let us solve this question. First let us try to reduce these equations in the form of linear form. So if I take 2 upon square root x minus, it is plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2. Here let me take 1 upon root x as a and 1 upon root y as b. So the equations will become 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. Simple. Now let us take the second equation, 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. So it becomes 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. This is a second equation. Just observe these equations. If I multiply the first equation by 2, what do I get? I will have 4a plus 2 3s are 6b is equal to 2 2s are 4. Now, if I have same sign, I can subtract. So, I have 4a and minus 4a gets cancelled. I get minus 15b is equal to minus 5. That gives me b is equal to 5 upon 15. Minus minus gets cancelled on both the sides. So, I get b is equal to 1 upon 3. Let me find out the value of a. We take this equation, 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. Let us substitute the value of b here. It is 1 upon 3. So, 2a is equal to 2 minus 1. So, 2a is equal to 1 or a is equal to 1 upon 2. We have got the value of a and b, but we need the value of x and y. So, what we had taken 1 upon root x as a and 1 upon root y as b. So, 1 upon root x, what is the value of a? We have taken here, we have got 1 upon 2 and 1 upon root y as 1 upon 3. If I square on both sides, what do I get? I get 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 4. Likewise, 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 9. So, on cross multiplying, I get x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. So, I hope students you have understood the method, how we are able to reduce these equations to linear form and then solve for the values of x and y. Now, let us look into the next part. 4 upon x plus 3y is equal to 14 and 3 upon x minus 4y is equal to 23. So, in this can you form, we can see 1 upon x is equal to a we can consider. So, that linear equation form we will get 4a plus 3y is equal to 14 and 3a minus 4y is equal to 23. Can you see the coefficients of a and y sorry are 3 and 4. So, if I multiply the first equation by 3 and second equation by 4, I think I can make the coefficients of a equal. Yes, 3 4s are 12a plus 3 3s are 9y is equal to 42. Here 12a minus 16y is equal to 92. So, we have same sign, subtract here. So, 12a minus 12a gets cancelled. What is 9 plus 16? It is 25y is equal to minus 50. So, value of y is minus 50 upon 25, that gives me minus 2. So, value of y is minus 2. Now, let me take the value of x. x means a first. So, 4a plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 14. So, 4a minus 6 is equal to 14. 4a is equal to 14 plus 6. So, 4a is equal to 20 or a is equal to 20 upon 4, that is 5. So, a is 5 and y is equal to minus 2. So, for a what we had taken 1 upon x is equal to a. So, 1 upon x is equal to 5. I can write this as 5x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 upon 5 and y we got it as minus 2. So, these are the values of x and y. I hope it is clear. Now, let us go to the next part. 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. And the second equation 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. Here can you see, if I take 1 upon x minus 1 as a and 1 upon y minus 2 as b, my equations will reduce to 1 upon y minus 2 as b. These two equations will reduce to 5a plus b is equal to 2 and 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Just observe these two. If I multiply first equation by 3, coefficients of b will be equal. So, if I multiply by 3 here, just observe, we have 15a plus 3b is equal to 6, and this equation as it is we can take minus 3b is equal to 1. Beautiful equations. We have opposite signs, so we will add them. So, on adding we have, what is 15 plus 6? Yes, 21a is equal to 7. So, a is equal to 7 upon 21. So, I get the value of a as 1 upon 3. Let us keep this. Now, let us substitute the value of a in any of the equations. For me, the simpler equation is 5a plus b is equal to 2. So, if I substitute the value of a as 1 upon 3 plus b is equal to 2, b is equal to 2 minus 5 upon 3. So, I get value of b as 1 upon 3. Look here, we have got the value of a and b, but we had taken a as 1 upon x minus 1. Let us change them and substitute the values. 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 3, and on cross multiplying x minus 1 is equal to 3 or x is equal to 4. We have got the value of x as 4. Likewise, 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3. On cross multiplication, y minus 2 is equal to 3 or y is equal to 3 plus 2, that is 5. Y is 5 and x is equal to 4. In this way, we can find out the values of such type of equations. I hope it is clear. Let us go to the next part. This is a different type of question. We have 7x minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. Just observe, they are not in the linear form. In order to get them in the linear form, let me just write down 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5. Can I do that? Yes. Now, what is common here? X gets cancelled, y also gets cancelled. I am left with 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equal to 5. Here, I will assume 1 upon y as a and 1 upon x as b. All right. So, we get 7a minus 2b is equal to 5. This is a normal linear equation. Likewise, we will take 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. We get 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equal to 15. This will change into 8a plus 7b is equal to 15. Just observe them. We get here 7a minus 2b is equal to 5, 8a plus 7b is equal to 15. If I multiply this equation by 8, 8 sevens are 56 and that I will multiply by 7. What do I get? 8 sevens are 56 minus 16b is equal to 40. 8 fives are 40. Likewise, 8 sevens are 56a plus 7 sevens are 49, b is equal to 15 sevens are 105. So, same sign we subtract. So, 56a minus 56a gets cancelled. We are left with minus 65 is equal to, yes, minus 65. So, minus gets cancelled and here b I have missed. So, b is equal to 65 upon 65. So, b is equal to 1. Let me find out the value of a. Let us take an equation 7a minus 2b is equal to 5 and 7a minus 2 into 1 is equal to 5, or 7a is equal to 5 plus 2, a is equal to 7 upon 7, a is 1 and b is also 1. Let us take the equations what we had supposed in the beginning, 1 upon x, 1 upon y as a and 1 upon x as b. So, we have 1 upon y is equal to 1 and 1 upon x is also equal to 1. So, value of y is 1 and value of x is also 1. Very simple. I hope it is clear. Now, shall we go to the next part? We have 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy and 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Now, little similar to the previous one, we have 6xy. In this, let us divide this by xy on both sides. What do I get? 6x upon xy plus 3y upon xy is equal to 6. We can cancel x and y in this way. So, 6 upon y is equal to 3 upon x is equal to 6. Now, let us suppose 1 upon y as a and 1 upon x as b. So, we have 6a plus 3b is equal to 6. This is our simplified equation number 1, and let us see the next one. We have 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Dividing by xy on both sides, xy gets cancelled and 2x upon xy plus 4y upon xy is equal to 5. Here you can see x is getting cancelled and y gets cancelled here. We have 2 upon y plus 4 upon x is equal to 5. So, we have here 2a plus 4b is equal to 5. So, these are the two equations we need to solve. Observe here, what is the step we can follow so that the coefficients of a become equal? If I multiply this by 3, this equation I will multiply by 3, what do I get? 3 2s are 6 plus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 5 3s are 15. So, as you know, same sign we have been subtracting. If we subtract, signs will change here and 6a gets cancelled. What is 3b minus 12b? It is minus 9b is equal to, what is 6 minus 15? Minus 9. So, I get value of b as 1. Likewise, if I take the first equation, let me substitute the value of b here. 4 into 1 is equal to 5. So, 2a is equal to, what is 5 minus 4? It is 1. So, 2a is equal to 1 means a is equal to 1 upon 2. We have got a is equal to 1 upon 2 and b as 1. But what was a for us? It was 1 upon y. So, let me compare this. I will get y is equal to 2. What about x? We had taken 1 upon x as b. So, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 are the values of x and y in this. I hope it is clear. Shall we go to the next part? So, students, let us see, this is a different type of question here. We have 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. And next equation, 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Can you observe here, we have x plus y together. So, let me assume 1 upon x plus y as a and 1 upon x minus y as b. Look how the equations will change. They will become 10a plus 2b is equal to 4 and the next equation is 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. Just observe, we have here, if I multiply the first equation by 5 and second by 2, coefficients of b will become equal. So, if I multiply this by 5 and multiplying this by 2, let us see, we have 5 tens are 50 plus 10b is equal to 20 and 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. Opposite signs, so we are going to add them. So, we get 80a is equal to 16, a is equal to 16 upon 80, that gives me 1 upon 5. Value of a is 1 upon 5. Likewise, let us calculate the value of b. We have 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. So, 10 into a is 1 upon 5 plus 2b is equal to 4. That gives me 2b is equal to 4 minus 2. So, b is equal to 2 upon 2 is 1. Look here, we have got the value of a and b. But what was a? It is 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5. On cross multiplying, we have x plus y as 5 and the other equation is 1 upon y minus x minus y as b. b is 1. So, x minus y is 1. You see, we have got linear pair of equations here. Again we add to get 2x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 3. Likewise, if I substitute the value of x in this equation, so 3 plus y is equal to 5. So, y is equal to 5 minus 3 gives me 2. So, value of x is 3 and y is 2. Hope you have understood this. Let us go to the next part. The question is 1 upon 3x plus y and plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. and the next equation is 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Let us assume 1 upon 3x plus y as a and 1 upon 3x minus y as b. So, equation will reduce to a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4, right. Here 1 upon 2a minus 1 upon 2b is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Or see, if I take 2 as the LCM, I get a minus b is equal to minus 1 upon 8. That becomes a minus b is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Observe these equations, coefficients are already equal. So, if I add b minus b gets cancelled, I get 2a is equal to what is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4? Yes, you are right. You get 2 upon 4, or we get 2a is equal to 2 upon 4, a is equal to 2 upon 2 into 4, or that is 1 upon 4. So, value of a is 1 upon 4. Let us write here. Now, let us take an equation and find out the value of b. This is 3 upon 4. So, 1 upon 4 plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. So, b is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 gives me 2 upon 4 or 1 upon 2. So, value of b is 1 upon 2 and value of a is 1 upon 4. But what was our assumption? It was 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a. A means 1 upon 4. Now, if I cross multiply, I get 3x plus y is equal to 4, and for the next equation we have 1 upon 3x minus y as 1 upon 2. So, 3x minus y is equal to 2. If I add, what do I get? 6x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 1. I have got the value of x as 1. Now, if I substitute this in any of the equations, 3x plus y is equal to 4, I get 3 plus y is equal to 4 or y is equal to 1. So, x is also 1 and y is also 1. I hope you have understood this question. So, you may try these type of questions on your own. Thank you.